नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं 10th ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट में, जो कि हो रहा है एनडीएमसी कन्वेंशन सेंटर में। इस सम्मेलन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप ने।
Under Dr. Tyagi's leadership, the company has grown 13 times and established itself as a market leader in salty snacks and leading brand with FMCG sector. Under his leadership and vision, the company is exporting to more than 70 countries across the globe. Dr. Tyagi has received various awards on behalf of the company as well as in individual capacity in Uncle Chips and Haldiram. Haldiram Snacks Private Limited has now launched spices under his leadership and expertise. Dr. Tyagi will speak on spice market and strategy in India. इससे पहले कि डॉक्टर ए.के. त्यागी आए और बोले,
I just like to highlight something spice market and strategy in India. And as you all know that Haldiram snack is the leader in savory snack and Indian sweet. And we have recently entered about 4-5 months before in the spice market. India is the world's largest spice producer, and we export approximately 160,000 crore in 2022. In another word, India is a spice of the hub of the spicy, and our CAGR from the last 4-5 years is about 10%, and we are accepting the same growth in the near future. We have done export of about 10.7 million in 2020-21, and chili is the main ingredient. We export about 37% of the chili, followed by 17% of the cumin. And as all we know, South is the hub of the chili, and we get the excellent quality of the chili and different type of the chili from the South geography. Again, as we all know, this is a pure spicy or blended spicy. If we go to the market, the spicy is a very big category, and about approximately 5,500 number of players currently doing the branded spicy, and 40% market share will be occupied by 5 major producer, and we have done export of branded only 5,900 crore in 2020-21 in North India with a growth of around 6%. And I am happy to announce here that Haldiram launched the complete range of the spicy, pure as well as blended. If we see the market segmentation, so about 32% will come from the blended spices, and 68% will come from the pure spices. And average rate of the blended spices is around 564 rupees, and average rate of the pure spices 333 rupees. So our focus will be more on the blended spicy to provide the customer much better taste with purity. The future of spices is very bright, and major country we are exporting the China with Vietnam, Thailand, UK, Malaysia and Indonesia. Before going to the spicy strategy, I will come to tell about regarding Haldiram very brief. We have the overall market leader with 30% share in Indian traditional snack and 19% share in the salty snack. And we are available in around 80 countries, and we have done 13 times revenue growth in the last 13 years. Haldiram is a 80 years old brand with only Indian snack player with substantial national international footprint. We have the team of the 10,000 employees. extremely strong brand equity without any ATL marketing, more than 250 products with 500 SKU. Our company is the first company who have taken the growth path by the way of the innovation. And innovation is our passion. We are the first company in India to introduce branded packed traditional snacks in 1990. We are the first company in India to do 100% automation of traditional snacks without any human interference. We are the first company to do pioneer new age of the packaging namkeen such as a zip patch and instant reports. And we are one of the first company to offer Indian traditional street foods in a hygienic restaurant environment. This is our global footprint. We are present approximately in 80 countries, and we are also present in all major supermarkets just like a Walmart, Tesco, Carrefour, Costco, etc. Our 57% export contribution will come from the USA, and balance will come from the Middle East, Europe, Australia and others. These are the range of the Haldiram spices. We have done all type of the spices: garam masala, chaat masala, chana masala, dal makhani, kitchen king masala, pav bhaji masala, sambar masala, rajma masala, sabji masala, jaljeera, shahi paneer. Then followed by amchur powder, ginger powder, jeera powder, haldi powder, dhania powder, Kashmiri mirch, lal mirch, mirch fruit, then white pepper powder and masuri methi and some more also. So here our strategy very clear. Haldiram known for the purity and taste. Therefore, our focus will be on the blended spices, because as we know, the blended spices market only 32%, and we want to unblock this market. Number one. And second strategy our will be to convert unbranded to branded, to expand the market, because market is the limited. If we fight within the share, so nobody can get the profit or margin on that. So our strategy is different with the other players. Number one, to expand the spice market by converted unbranded to branded, so that we can take the share of, everybody can take share of the expanded market, and to focus on the blended spices with the taste and purity.
एनएनएस मीडिया ग्रुप द्वारा 10वें ग्लोबल स्पाइस समिट का सफल आयोजन 26 मई 2023 को किया गया। एनडीएमसी कन्वेंशन सेंटर कनॉट प्लेस में आयोजित इस समिट का उद्घाटन राजस्थान के पूर्व कैबिनेट मंत्री एवं राज्यसभा सांसद राजेंद्र गहलोत, राजस्थान सरकार के पूर्व कृषि मंत्री प्रभुलाल सैनी एवं राजस्थान के पूर्व राज्य मंत्री भूपेंद्र सैनी ने किया।